How to fix Paint cannot read this file. This is not a valid bitmap file, or its format is not currently supported. Here are some tips that may help you fix Paint cannot read this file. This is not a valid bitmap file, or its format is not currently supported. 1. Try saving the file in another format. Notes: 1. You may also try using GIMP for Windows or Ifron View. 2. Anything above 1200*1200 dpi won't open in Paint, even if it is a BMP file. 3. Hint: make a copy of the file and delete the file extension, the dot and letters after the dot. Open Ifron View, then drag and drop the file onto the Open Ifron View window. Ifron View will attempt to determine the file type and open it. If it does open in Ifron View, use File Save As to save it in the format you want. 2. Disable built-in and/ or third-party antivirus and firewall software, as admin. 3. Remove then reinstall Paint.net for Windows. 4. Run the System File Checker tool, as admin. 5. Try right-clicking the image and choose Save Picture as, then save it to your desktop. Afterwards, go to File-Open within Paint and select the picture on your desktop.